True, it's your boy Mwana Mkara Uvukile Malamba Nyamrema. Right now I'm at a drive-through. I'm about to order. Ashe Gogo Ashe Gitsamaka bicycle. Ashe kunyaka order fela mama. Kokai bafethu lava nto abafuna ngibhadela sengena ama-drive-through ngama-bicycle afuna isibhadela kitsamaka sifatanaga mos mama kitsamaka skuta kita le yona rekwako kunya go tsena mare ba ile utswa bicycle a se yaka and ke tsamaka sifatana le kopela chicken piece tse 5
Soul Sister 5 ibabe.
Yeah, ibabe.
Soul Sister 5 ibabe. Ina le bicycle na mo festere.
Ke bokae?
78.
78.32. Okay. I think this will be enough.
Kilo abutu utanga bicycle na mama.
Kitsamaka sifatanaga baba, ke fatanaga mos. Ke sifatanaga le nna mama. Ke a leboga mama. Ke te shoota nna ke le one mama. Okay, sorry. Yeah, bafethu, we're about to pay right now. Collections. Yeah, we are here.
He has it.
Excellent.
You're the one from the flight through.
Yes, my man, I'm flying through. Even a bicycle flies through this
Are you
place.
serious? Like really, this guy.
This isn't a bicycle.
Bruh, I'm flying through.
Not a bicycle.
Yeah.
If it was an actual motorbike, then yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah. Guys, it's just a fly through, you know. Regular bicycle. We're just flying through here to just see what's happening, you see. So right now I'm with my brothers here. I'm waiting for my order, you see. Yeah, Shangondilash was one. The Caroline was another Shangondilash. It's a bicycle. Just look, regular bicycle. We're flying through, mama. As I wait for my order, guys.
That is a drive-through for cars.
Yes, I also have wheels here. I have tires.
It's not a car because we cannot sense it.
Say even a scooter is like a bicycle, most.
A scooter, it has a motor. This one doesn't have a motor.
That's why it's just called bicycle. Thanks, my guy.
I thought.
Feed, my guy. Okay, guys, we're done here. Yeah, so see a humble man, you drive through. Sika.